Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Stable Diffusion Space to generate images in Lagrange. Stable Diffusion is an AI system that can create images from text prompts. While Space offers an easy way to host machine learning demo applications on Lagrange. With Stable Diffusion Space, you can access Stable Diffusion through an easy-to-use interface. Begin by visiting lagrangedeo.com. And then select a Stable Diffusion Space to use. Click on the App button to launch the Stable Diffusion UI. Each space is supported by multiple computing providers. If one encounters an error, you can easily switch to another for uninterrupted usage. Here you can enter a text prompt that describes the image you want to generate. For example, you could type a scenic photograph of a beach at sunset. Configure your desired settings, such as image size and sampling method. For this tutorial, let's leave the defaults. When you're ready, click on Generate and Stable Diffusion will create an image based on your text prompt. Once the image is generated, you can zoom in to explore intricate details and even download the image to your computer. For further creative exploration, click the icon and select LoRa. This gives you a list of different LoRa models to choose from. In this example, I'll choose the DreamShaper model. The prompt now includes the trigger word for this LoRa model. For a more elaborate example, let's create a fancy picture and fine-tune the settings. Once all settings are in place, hit Generate to produce images using this specific LoRa model. All of these images look great. You could save or download your favorite one.